Ahoy, mateys! Ye sailed up just in time. I need your help. I've forgotten where I buried me treasure, and if I don't find it, I'll be taking a long walk off a short plank. One of me crewmates said I'd have a better chance of finding it when the moon creates a low tide. I had no idea. Let's explore this together. I'd say it's high time we look for a low tide. So, what are tides?
Tides are the rising and falling of the sea, primarily created by the pull of the moon's gravity. Imagine Earth as a ball, and the oceans as a blue gel covering most of the outside of the ball. As the moon revolves around Earth, its gravitational force causes Earth's surface water to bulge out on the side closest to the moon and the side farthest from the moon. This bulging is the high tide. Low tide occurs where the ocean water has been pulled away from the sides of the Earth to the bulges. Because Earth is a sphere, like our ball, the ocean bulges at two spots that stay aligned with the moon. Because Earth is spinning, each location travels through the bulges and low points about every 12 hours. So, there are two high tides and two low tides in our 24-hour day. The phases of the moon also make a difference in the tides. Have you ever noticed a full moon or a barely visible new moon? Those monthly lunar changes impact the tides. Tides have their highest highs and their lowest lows twice a month at the full and new moons. During the full and new moons, the moon is aligned with the sun and Earth, which causes the biggest tidal changes because of the combined gravitational force of the sun and the moon. When the tides have their most extreme highs and lows, that's known as a spring tide. At the first or last quarter of the moon, the gravity of the sun and moon are pulling in different directions and produce the smallest changes in the tide's highs and lows. That's called a neap tide.
Now that we know about tides, when would be the best time to look for me lost treasure chest? Shiver me timbers, you're right. I should start digging at the low spring tide. The good news be that I've got 2 chances each month to try digging up me treasure. Wish me luck, mateys.